The combination of logarithm properties. All the previously covered properties of logarithms are used to make operations and calculations easier. In the previous examples, we included only the corresponding property of logarithm, which we wanted to illustrate. However, in most cases, an exercise may require us to combine more than one of the properties in order to obtain the simplest form or the result of the expression. Let's consider a couple of examples to illustrate this point. Example: write the following logarithmic expressions in the simplest form. We have the following shown on screen. Solution. A. Let's represent all operations in the following table, where all the properties used are shown on the right column. We have the following shown on screen. B. Let's use the table method again for easier understanding. We have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 13.1.4, and the end of tutorial 13.1. To continue this chapter, please watch 13.2, Introduction to Exponential and Logarithmic Equations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.